Tell you the truth, yesterday I did a legs workout. I cannot even feel my legs. But no excuses, Church. Yeah, Marcus Bodycoding Live, new footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do, no excuses. Even when I don't feel my legs. Are you ready? Today, we're gonna do a combination cross 3 and tap 5. See for yourself first. Let's go. Yeah, this is the move. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Let's do it together on the floor, wherever we are. Are you ready? Let's go. You can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Go with me. Let's go to the left. Open. Cross to the back. Open. Now, tap, step, and step in place. Great. Now with the right, no excuses, with me. Open, cross, open, tap, step to the back, and step in place. Yes, tap, ball change. Now with the left, again. Open, cross to the back, open, tap, step, step. Now with the right, the same. Open, cross to the back, open, tap, step to the back, and step. Are you ready? Now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Doing great. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Yes, amazing. This is the move. But wait, you're still here. Even more amazing. Now, let's do a practice face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror, but not doing your makeup. Practicing, of course. Let's go. Starting with the left again. Open, open, cross to the back, open, tap, step to the back, and step. With the right, open, cross to the back, open, tap, step to the back, and step in place. Now, with the count, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And let's give you a tip for the day. Are you ready? Try to move with the first move. What do I mean? Watch. Instead of going to the side, you can go in a circle. You can step, cross, and step. And now do tap, step, step. Yeah. Now you can go back to this direction. You can just walk with the move. Open, cross, open, tap, step, down. Yeah. Once again, you can move with it. Open, cross, open, tap, open, cross, open, tap, step, step. Yeah, that was the tip of the day. Remember to play with the move and make it your own. And remember, you play with it. And this is also universal moves, meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba. Yeah, all of these. That's why we give them names. Today we did a combination between cross 3 and tap 5. Yeah, and if you want to practice these moves with me in the studio for free anytime you want, how can you do that? Check the links above, below, to the site. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Go to the YouTube channel and yes, you guessed it, search for these moves, cross 3 And top 5, join me in the studio forever. For free. Forever for free. Yeah. But either way, what do you care? You have this video, right? Practice with this video, but do it today. Yes, today. Yes, I'm serious. Today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow. See you tomorrow then.